The title for paper is Damage Detection in Beams Using Vibration Analysis and Artificial Neural Networks. The authors are Prasid Kumar, Aklim Siddiqui, Ashay Ghadi, Denisa Tumi, Stephen Renes, and Salil Rane. Beams are susceptible to damages due to aging, environmental loading, fatigue, excessive loading, etc. One of the type of damage is cracks, which are generally formed due to repetitive loading. Presence of cracks led to premature failure of a structure in a system, causing potential hazard. Hence, early crack detection will ensure safety as well as durability of a system. In vibration analysis, with the presence of crack, its modal frequency deviates from its original value. So this was the parameter considered for crack detection. An artificial neural network is an efficient computing structure based on analogy of human neural system. Neural networks are the set of algorithms which are designed to recognize patterns. A large amount of data can be analyzed using ANN. It works on the principle of error minimization. A dataset is required to train a neural network, and the size of the dataset determines the accuracy of neural network. The detection of cracks is broadly carried out using NDT methods, vibration-based methods, and various mathematical models. Hence, with long-term data collection, accurate damage diagnosis is computationally challenging task. Use of ANN makes it easier to carry out this detection. So the aim was to predict the location of crack on a cantilever beam using ANN. The objective was to perform vibration analysis of a beam with crack by simulation methods using ANSYS and to build an ANN to predict the position of the crack. Literature review. So the first paper reviewed was damage assessment in structure from changes in static parameter using neural networks. Key findings here were the neural network can be trained for damage detection in a cantilever beam using its strain and displacement. More accurate results when strain was considered as an input were obtained. Second paper is experimental investigation of crack detection in cantilever beam using vibration analysis. So the key findings here were detection of crack location with the help of change in natural frequency and amplitude can be done. With increase of distance of the crack from fixed end, the natural frequency increases. So the third paper is damage detection in structural elements using frequency control method. The change in natural frequency is higher in the cracks which are located near the support of the beams. Also, one of the key finding was to use of contour plot method for crack location and depth. So the next paper is investigation of effect of transfer crack on model parameters of cantilever beam with different geometries using FEA. So the key findings here were introduction of crack reduces the natural frequency of vibration. The effect of crack location and the depth on natural frequency is not similar for all the modes for beams with different cross section. The next paper is crack detection in cantilever beam by natural frequency tracking using experimental and finite element analysis. Here the finite element analysis was carried out by considering a probe on the beam as well as without considering a probe. The error analysis showed that considering the probe, the error range was between -2.07% to 3.68%, whereas without considering probe was 2.88% to 2.62%. In our analysis, we have not considered the beam with a probe. So coming to process flow, the initial step was to carry out modal analysis of healthy beam to obtain its mode frequencies. Then modal analysis of cracked beam was carried out for different crack locations and a data set of their mode frequencies was obtained. After dataset, work on architecture of ANN was carried out. Then validation of algorithm was done using existing dataset and the changes were made in neural network for error minimization. Finally, ANN was tested using a test dataset. So coming to simulation setup, the boundary conditions of the beam was fixed at one end. The dimensions of beam were 400 mm by 48 mm by 6.5 mm. Mesh size considered was 0.25 mm. Material was ASTM A283 grade C carbon steel. Its modulus of elasticity was 190 GPa, Poisson's ratio 0.32, and density of 7,900 kg per meter cube. So these are the results for modal analysis of healthy beam. The first four bending mode frequencies were obtained. So coming to crack orientation, the crack dimensions considered was length 48 mm, that is, the crack was considered along the width of the beam. The width of the crack is 0.5 mm and the depth is 1 mm. The location was considered at an interval of 5 mm from fixed, so the total number of dataset obtained was for 79 different crack locations. These are the results for cracked beams. The first table is the first mode frequencies for crack location. Only selected values are shown due to space constraint. The second table contains frequency ratio of cracked beam to that of healthy beam. The input parameter to neural network was this ratio. The graph shows frequency ratio versus crack location. As the crack moves away from the fixed end, its difference with that, the frequency difference with that of healthy beam reduces. Hence, the graph approaches the value 1. Similarly, these are the results for second bending mode, third bending mode, and fourth bending mode. This was the code used to define the structure of ANN. The input parameter used to determine the crack location is mode frequencies of cracked beam to that of healthy beam ratio. The coding language used for ANN execution was Python. Here initially data is stored in a CSV file and imported to ANN. The data is scaled between 0 to 1 so it can be input to ANN. Then structure of ANN is defined. Each dense layer forms a hidden layer of ANN. Then the model is compiled using optimizers and trained using training dataset. Then predict function is used to predict the crack location. The number of epoch is the number of time the data is input to neural network for training to get optimized value of epoch for fast as well as accurate computation of results. The graph of loss function versus epoch was plotted. Since after initial dip in the loss function, the graph is linear, so the value of epoch was selected as 750. These are the results that were obtained. The initial 6 values are values which are present in training set and the last value is not included in the training set. That is the value in the bold and it is reserved for test set. As it is seen, the error percent was obtained below 3%. On the right, the value with blue arrow represents the actual value, whereas the value in yellow arrow represents the values predicted by the neural network. So to give a summary, ANN was trained with frequency ratio values obtained by vibration analysis and was used to locate crack in cantilever beam. The training set can be further increased to achieve more accuracy. These were the references for the papers. Thank you.